Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about Shiva Sutras. And on the basis of Shiva Sutra, I am going to make all of you learn how to live our life, how to get a detachment from our material body. So let's get into Shiva Sutras, means from where I have left in my previous video. तृतीया भोक्ता विरेशः. तृतीया भोक्ता विरेशः. Here Lord Shiva stated तृतीया भोक्ता विरेशः. One who experience this triad is the chief of the heroes. One who experience this kind of triad, that person is chief of all the heroes. This sutra is similar to the sutra number 7, and it is basically saying the same things. The triad is the three state: the waking state, the dream state, and the state of the deep sleep. There are the three stages of our sleeping. First one is means of our soul. First one is waking state, another one is dream state, and third one is state of the deep sleep. And you experience this triad when you are away during the three state, and you start of being away during the waking state. In the state of awareness, you are detached from the body and are the witness to the event of unfolding in your life. Unfolding in your life. And as your awareness grows, you reach a point when you are awake, even during a dream state, and then the state of the deep sleep. Means when you have awakened, you will definitely come out from the deep state of sleeping as well as the deep state. So you will easily come out, and you will surely come to know who you are and what you have to do in your life. In the deep sleep, you are aware that you are a sound sleep. You are a sound sleep. Witness in your awaken is awakened to the extent that it is never switched off. At this stage, you become the chief of heroes, the most heroic of the all heroes. You become enlightened. You would become enlightened. Vismayo yoga bhumiktaha. Here, Vismayo yoga bhumikaha. The different stages of the yoga cause amazement. The different stages of yoga. Today is a World Yoga Day or International Yoga Day. And when we come to know about yoga, we would understand that the physical exercise is only known as yoga. But it's not true. The different stage of the yoga cause amazement. The different stage of yoga will definitely make all of us amazement. The steady mind, the stability of the mind to treat all the people in all the condition, like whether success or the failure, whether happiness or distress. That is only called yoga. Buddha once said, those who are awake live in a state of the constant amazement. The different stage of the yoga result is a higher and higher level of awareness. One becomes a more and more awake. Becoming awake changes your whole world. Your experience, you experience the things you have never experienced before. In yoga, you would experience that things which would you have never experienced, and you look at life in a whole new way. You see a beauty in a place you had overlooked. You may appreciate the color of the flower or the article of clothing. Article of clothing. There is a feeling of joy that fills you and flow out of you. This is because you have come in touch with your highest self. There is a deep sense of gratitude for the what you have been given. You live in amazement at the beauty of life, and all your problems seem trivial and unimportant. Trivial as well as unimportant. One experience great peace is a heightened the state of awareness. When the noise of mind is shut down, the beauty of life suddenly becomes apparent, and you are amazed as a beauty and the wonder of your life, and how joyful life can be. How joyful life can be. Ichha Saktira Uma Kumari. Our desire is something like a goddess Uma Kumari. Ichha Saktira Uma Kumari. The power of desire. Listen it very carefully. The power of desire is a goddess consort of Shiva. Goddess consort of Shiva. One of the topic emphasized in the Smanda Karikas is the power of desire. According to the desire abiding in the heart, God brings a creation of what has been desired. Means whatever we have desired, God definitely, Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva will definitely come to know what kind of desire we are having. If some kind of desire which are most appropriate and most deserving to all of us, then Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva will definitely fulfill that desire. And this is what caused the sun and the moon to reach its end and resulting in awakening of the embodied. So even a dream state from the continuous request for one's desire, God who is always abiding in the center of oneself will certainly manifest most vividly the object that are desired, the object that are desired. Otherwise, one may be giving up the freedom to create, which is the nature of God that is constantly with one, as is the case of ordinary people in the both waking and a dream state. Waking and a dream state. Since initially one's goal manifests unclearly, however, on constant attention of the mind on it, the object is made to manifest most clearly through the continuous exercise of the one's power. Continuous exercise of one's power. Drishyam Sariram. Drishyam Sariram. The entire world is one of own body, one's own body. Drishyam Sariram. Entire world. If we are seeing anything in this material world, this is something like our own body. The entire world is a part of Supreme Beings and who is normally refers to as a God or Shiva. Entire world is Shiva. Entire world is our body. So this is stated in Shiva Sutras. And we are part of these same beings, therefore by extension this entire world is a part of us and is like one of our own body. There is only the supreme energy that we all are part of it, and everything in this world is interconnected and is a part of the supreme beings. Everything in this material world is interconnected and which are part of it. Hridaya chitta samgatah drashya veda darshanam. Here said from the focus, the mind on the heart, the world appears as a dream. The entire world appears like a dream. Focusing the mind on the heart is a meditation of practices. Once you practice this successfully, you become liberated and the world appears as a dream. The world appears as a dream simply because after liberation, the true nature of the world is realized. The world is not real. This entire world is not real. Real is our soul and our soul connection with the super soul. We all have to get self-realized about the soul, the relation between the soul and super soul. There is a story that will explain this. When it is a dark, we might mistake a rope for a snake and become scared. But in the light, we realize that it's only a rope. There is nothing to be afraid of. The external world is somewhat like this. We might experience fear in our daily lives. But when we are liberated, we realize that the world is not real and there is nothing to be afraid of. Fear is completely absent from the life of the liberated person. Shuddha Sattva Samadhanan Va Purusaktah, or from joining with a pure state, one obtains a divine energy. Vitarka Atma Jnanam. Deliberation lead to the knowledge of the self. Deliberation. We need a deliberation. Without deliberation, we are not able to know about ourselves. So deliberation is required. Strong intention, strong motivation, strong thing is required. Lokanada Samadhi Sukham. The joy of the liberation is a bliss for the whole world. The joy of the liberation, Samadhi Sukham. The joy of the liberation is a bliss for the whole world. Shakti Sandhane Sariro Patiha. One on the unity with the energy, one gains the ability to leave the body. Yogi can decide the time of their living body, the time of their death. Yogi can decide. Bhutva samdaha bhutaha prakrutvaha vishwa samgataha. One has the power to join element or the separate element or the join everything. One has a power to join elements or to separate elements or the join everything. Suddha vidyoha ya chakra kresava siddhiha. Through the appearance of a pure knowledge, one attain the mastery of the chakras, mastery of the all the chakras. Maha महाहृदयनासु समाधानं मंत्रव्यः अनुभवः. From the union with a great lake, one gain the power of mantra. One gain the power of the mantra. This is all about the first chapter of Shiva Sutras. I hope you all can understand. Means our body, our sharir is only this entire world. There is no difference between the entire world and also our body. So we just have to understand these things. Our body and this entire material world both are similar. So this is stated by Lord Shiva. And this entire body and this entire material world both are same as Lord Shiva. So I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.